What's up, everybody? It's your boy Dr. Mission, and today I'm gonna show you how to make you some porridge. All right, you want to learn how to do it? All right, you know how to eat. Right now, let's learn how to cook. Let me show you along. Come through. So this is how you want to make yourself some porridge. You can take some plantain, mix some water, blend it up. Nothing in there. Then you take yourself a pot. Then you take yourself some hot water. Put that water inside. Boom. Then you add your quinoa. You can add other grains too, but I don't have them. I just got quinoa. I usually do buckwheat, flaxseed, quinoa mix. I just got quinoa. You boil that. Let that boil for like 10 minutes. And then you're going to put that in there. I'm going to show you what that looks like in a second. So after you have the quinoa boiling for about 10 minutes, it's going to get a fluffy as such, right? At that point, you want to lower the flame a bit because we don't want to cook this on high. So the flame is already kind of low. We're going to lower it a bit more and let this cook a bit slow, right? So we don't want to cook it too high, too fast, because that's how you burn it and you kill the nutrients and don't get a nice cook. So now you're pouring this back into it. This is plantain, this is green plantain mixed with water. Just that. Blend it up till it gets smooth. Then you stir that in there. And you keep on stirring it and you want to have the pot on low flame because what can happen is that the porridge will start to stick to the bottom of the pot and get burnt. So at this point, when the quinoa was cooking, you could have a top over it, but when I'm cooking the porridge like this, I like to leave it open, just so that I don't make sure that the bottom doesn't, burn. But if you want to make sure that it cooks faster, just put the top on there and give it a stir check on it every couple minutes, so it doesn't stick to the bottom. From here, you can start to add the base seasonings, like a little pinch of salt, some nutmeg, and then we have some cinnamon. Now after this is cooking, I'm gonna add some honey and agave and sea moss, but after it's cooked, I like to add those parts of the seasoning and the flavoring and the nutrients adding after. Again, we don't want to cook the sea moss, so we put it in after it's finished cooking and then just stir it up and blend it up. And I'll show you what that looks like in a bit. So when it looks like this, that's how you know it's done. Nice and creamy. Thick, you heard? Then from there, you can add your honey, agave. Add a little bit of honey. Add a little agave. Don't got that much left, so you know the vibes. Add a little left right here. You know the vibes. You know when and out. You know what I'm saying? We'll throw some dates in here. This is a vibe right here. Boom. And it might be better if you blend the plantain with the dates, so it could be a bit sweeter, so you won't have to add as much sweetener and everything like that, because the dates are really hella sweet. So with the dates, agave, honey, you ain't gonna need no sugar, After you got your porridge in a bowl, throw a little sea moss there. So you got sea moss in there. You just want to mix that in there. Make it one. Make it one. Make it one. All is one, you heard? Then slap your banana in there. And there you have it. You're all done. You got yourself a plantain porridge with some banana, some sea moss. This is a full spectrum meal, and you're gonna be good to go and feeling A-O friggin' K. Like that video? I know you like that video. Now it's up to you. I needed you to do something for me now. Okay? I need you to annihilate the like button. make sure you following us. Share this with friends. If you're watching this on YouTube, do the same, right? And make sure, most importantly, after you do all of that, to make it yourself, all right? Make it yourself, because that is where you're gonna get the benefits, all right? You just watching, you can only, I mean, you're getting benefits looking at me. I mean, that's a wonderful sight to see. I can agree. But we're doing this for our health and for our wellness, and to take advantage of that, we gotta participate. So make sure you participate in peace, love, unity. I love you, and I most importantly believe in you. Peace.